Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js. Today we are going to solve one of the issue that is NextRouter voice mounted. With help of this you can see that there is an issue that I'm getting on. So how to fix that issue? Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. To solve this issue, let me copy this issue and let me paste this. Okay, so issue is with this one. Let's go to this one. So what they are saying about this one, possible ways. So we have to use the next navigation. If you're used in the app directory, migrate the new hooks imported from this. So the easy fix is that one. You have to go with this one and just mention it like next router navigation. Okay, and now the issue gonna be resolved. Let's go and just check this one. Now you can see the issue is resolved. Okay, so this is how you can solve this issue very easily. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.